In this video, I will show you how to use Wispr Flow to streamline your academic writing and research as a student. I'll start by opening the sidebar and clicking on the Snippets tab. This feature is incredibly helpful for saving text that you find yourself retyping often, like citations, complex definitions, or thesis statements. I'll click the Add New button in the top right corner to get started. In the snippet field, I'm going to type the keyword student. Then, I'll paste a detailed paragraph regarding the bridge between technology and human imagination into the expansion box. Once I click Add Snippet, it's saved to my library and ready to use across any application. Now, I'll switch over to my Google Doc to show you how easy it is to trigger. I'll simply dictate the word student, and Flow immediately replaces that keyword with the full paragraph I just created. This is a huge time saver when you're drafting long papers or filling out repetitive forms. Next, I want to improve the quality of my writing to make it more readable. I'll highlight the entire paragraph and activate command mode. I'm going to give a direct voice command to make the essay sound more natural. You can see the system processing the request in the bottom corner, working to refine the tone and flow of the sentences. After a brief moment, the text is automatically updated with a much more polished and professional version that reads clearly. This process makes it incredibly easy to draft, expand, and refine your school assignments with minimal effort. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.